For centuries, we've been told that science and the Bible are at war. One is built on cold, hard data, the other on ancient faith. But what if I told you that at the deepest, most microscopic level of reality, science isn't just finding God. It's actually struggling to explain a world that the Bible described thousands of years ago. Today, we're looking at quantum physics, a realm so strange it makes science fiction look boring. From particles that exist in two places at once to the idea that our thoughts can literally change physical matter. Is science finally catching up to the Creator? Let's dive in. The Bible makes a bold claim in Hebrews 11:3. By faith we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. For thousands of years, people thought matter was, well, matter. Solid stuff. But then came quantum mechanics. When physicists like Max Planck and Niels Bohr looked inside the atom, they found something shocking. 99.9999% of an atom is empty space. If you remove the empty space from every person on Earth, the entire human race would fit inside a sugar cube. Science has discovered that the visible world is actually made of invisible energy and information. Sound familiar? This is where it gets weird. In the famous double-slit experiment, scientists found that subatomic particles behave differently when they are being watched. If no one is looking, they stay as a wave of possibility. The moment a conscious observer looks at them, they collapse into a physical particle. Basically, reality requires a witness. In the Bible, God doesn't just think the world into existence. He observes and speaks. If consciousness is the foundation of the universe, as many quantum physicists now suggest, then the biblical idea of a conscious creator sustaining the world through his word, Colossians 1:17, isn't just a metaphor. It might be the literal physics of our reality. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. We call it quantum entanglement. It's the discovery that two particles can be connected so deeply that what happens to one instantly affects the other, even if they are on opposite sides of the universe. This proves the universe is non-local. Everything is interconnected. This mirrors the biblical concept of God's omnipresence. If God is entangled with His creation, then your prayers, your thoughts, and your spirit aren't isolated. You are connected to the source of the entire field. Critics often call this the God of the gaps, using religion to fill in what science doesn't know yet. But what we're seeing here is different. As our map of the universe gets more accurate, it's not moving away from the Bible's descriptions. It's moving toward them. We used to think the universe was a giant clockwork machine. Now we know it's more like a great thought. So, is science catching up to God? Maybe it's better to say that science is finally developing the language to describe what the Bible has been whispering for millennia. The more we learn about the how, the more we see the fingerprints of the who. What do you think? Is quantum physics the bridge between faith and facts? Let me know in the comments. And if this blew your mind, hit that subscribe button. We're just scratching the surface of the unseen world.